The trouble with multiculturalism is you want to have a core of things that people agree on, and then all the details can be fixed. But if you believe that, let's say, allegiance to a god is effectively, in the real world, more powerful than allegiance to the constitution of a country, then that's a conflict. I don't know how you resolve that. I mean, I would say if you feel that, then don't come to a country that has a completely opposite view, because there are many countries that have your view. Wouldn't you feel more comfortable there?
And maybe if you destroy the culture of the country that you've come to, everyone loses, not just the people who have enjoyed that culture, but the very people who have come to it looking for something better. You can undo it.
Yes, you can be too critical of it because you want to change something before you've really had time to absorb what the real feeling and truth about the country is. I do think that's right. And I do think it's fair to say to people, well, if you really don't like so many aspects of this country, wouldn't you be happier finding another country that agrees with your views more, rather than coming to one that agrees less, but which you want to change, although it's not what the history of that country has led to? And I suppose you run up against the problem that I can't get a job there. Yeah, but let me say one more thing about immigrants. I say sometimes people forget, and I'm going back centuries now, that immigrants usually immigrated because they weren't doing that well in the country they came from.
Yeah.
You know, few, yes, but most of them came out of desperation. And I think I really do believe in the thing I was brought up with, which is when in Rome, do as the Romans.